believe I'm going through all of that only if you left me.
All you want give me answer. All you want do you know I want you?
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. I'm just tired to come on here and literally trying to explain myself as to why I've been gone, etc, etc. Like, I'm just tired, so I'm not even gonna do that. We're just gonna get straight into this video, okay? It started in the 8th grade when I decided to stop talking to Brian. If you don't know who Brian is, please go back to my last story time and catch up. So I used to always walk in the hall and see this specific couple. Them everyone them off them face, them each other face, like they were always making out. Like it was a thing in the 8th grade where the couples would just make out in the hall. Be a kiss up and be a thing. Like it's a competition. I remember one time they had a competition, like who could have do it the longest, like who could have kissed the longest or whatever. Anyways, 8th grade was wild. So I always see this specific couple. Me and this girl used to go prep school together, but then she didn't end up going next prep school, but we woke up back in high school. We weren't really like friends, but you know, we did alright. Like we never have no beef or no, we were just acquaintances. Hi and bye, it's whatever. It so happens that every morning I would go to school early because my daddy would always go to work early, and we decide, oh my god, this guy was also at school very early, so would always walk up and down at the hall, just a chat, and until like sometimes he'll be holding my hand and whatever. But like I never nothing serious at the time. Like I found it friendly, although the more it happened is the more I started to like him, because why not? Why the hell not? Fast forwarding to one career day. We had a career day at school. Alright, I'm gonna give them names. Alright, we're gonna call her Tisha and we're gonna call him Timmy. So Tisha and Timmy, right? Timmy was hanging with me for basically the entire day. Where was Tisha? Tisha was in her classroom. Tisha didn't want attention. Tisha never did get no attention because Timmy was in my class hanging with me. Tisha comes to the door and call him, and he was like, yo, I can't bother. Go to her. They must have some little argument or something like that. I think she was catching on to us, like nothing was happening, you know, but because we didn't hang out so much, it did kind of start look away. Disclaimer, me and the girl is cool now. We're fine. It is what it is. But we're not gonna wonder about this girl when I keep on telling this story. After career day, you know, so them always have them little bag juice parties or them little after parties when these things happen. So after party they keep upstairs for me. If you're from Portland, you know where I'm talking about. So me and 3 of my friends plus Timmy went to the pier before we did go to after party. Mind you, you know, me supposed to go on my yard already. Daddy, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but this is what happened. Me should have gone to my yard already, but initially we had bought pizza and we said we're going over here to eat it. So we're over here now, and one of the friends them say, yo, why are you just there and done? Like, you guys make the perfect couple, da da da. And I was like, you might have a girlfriend. Like, it not go work, you might have a girlfriend. So she was like, left her, cause can I see it say, oh no, not so close again, blah blah blah. So then he was like, alright, I gonna leave her tonight. And then there with you. Me like the menke, yeah, ready. So then she was like, alright, y'all gonna leave her tonight at 7 p.m. and then Uno I go there after that. So we all agreed to the plan, you know, and the times of when we're going to dance. So that same night now, me and him text and him say, yo, I'm gonna left or whatever. And I said, alright, cool. Do your thing, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, you know. So he does that and then he tells me, and then we there. So same time now, go up on Facebook. Another thing, I wasn't supposed to be on Facebook, but that is for another story time. So I go up on Facebook and I took a picture in the day, a group picture with some of my classmates, and he was in it, and me and him, he stand up beside me and hug me up. And when I went home, I cropped that picture and left it as me and him and put it as my profile picture. Then he put me as his cover photo, then I put him as my cover photo, and he also had up the same profile picture that I had up. So then now everybody see that now and I say, wait, what going on, yes sir? So you know saying before we get bare message, but uno there, damn, it's so cute. That was the Friday. So you know we're jolly. Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, Monday come now, me start saying, no, so enough things are going to change for the black and now, because everybody don't see that over the weekend. Friday them see him and Tisha them, and now Monday and me and him. So, hello! Shut up! Shut up! Anyways, as me I say, so yeah, Monday come now, me go to school, me see things change from the block. Una congratulate it, like a marriage, you know. Una congratulate a screw face. Go home, me and a good friend, call look out for me and the girl that come from. Da 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 da. So it reached a point where one day me I go home. I was going to my father's workplace. Reach up there, you know. Me tell him, I'm not gonna stay no longer. I want to go home. And as him call the taxi, and me I go downstairs. As me reaching the taxi, a Tisha that one of her friends, which was also my friend, and me and her in the same class at prep school. Remember your girl. Anyways, she and the next girl out of her class and march go for my daddy workplace. So me I looking at the car and drive off with me. I said, what the hell? So I was thinking, oh, probably going to the cafe or something. I see that march go straight over my daddy office. When daddy come out, I him that and them and the taxi drive off with me. In my head, me I said, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, when me I go do now? I reach home now, and daddy calls me and says, yo, a bag of girls, plus the one that went to prep school with me, and the one them called first. It's like, them come to me and I talk some bag of things. Oh, boyfriend this and boyfriend that. He said that he don't know what I'm talking about, you know. I was like, I don't know what they talking about. I think I put too much concealer. Ooh, that's a lot. I was like, I don't know what they're talking about. It's rubbish. Until when him come home now, he was like, them a cuss bad word boho. Tell your daughter to stop call up my name. She and her boyfriend. So you know my daddy, him don't want to raise up because he's at work. Like, why would you go to my father at his workplace creating this excitement? Me can't forgive her for this. Anyways, so him a talk about, she talk about one BBC this blah blah blah. So when I hear that, I was like, what the hell? Like, she really stooped that low, she really go that far if you try to disrespect my father. And it's like I was in such an awkward position because never want my daddy knows me have man. And at the same time, never want to cuss her and she beat me. She and her friend them beat me. So daddy say, yo, she made some threats and is either he might go carry it to the police station and make them deal with it. He might go to her mother and him himself deal with it. Or I need to talk to the Dean of Discipline and make the Dean of Discipline deal with it. So me I said, Jesus Christ, all of those situations sound bad. But I would rather go to the Dean of Discipline and deal with it, because I can just deal with it right there and then he doesn't have to know all the details. I look ghostly. He don't have to know all the details. So I says, alright, me will go to the Dean of Discipline. So he's like, tomorrow. So I'm like, so I go to school. I'm gonna take my daddy seriously, you know, because when I'm saying we do something, I'll do something. So I went to school the next day and during my lunchtime, I went to the Dean of Discipline and I told her what took place, and she said me fi go call Tisha. Two friends that go to my father with her, Timmy, and Timmy two other friend them. Because there was a situation that happened where Tisha did a try to cuss me and then tell her to go to her mother. One bag of something. So them did get involved. So all away in the Dean of Discipline office. I'm just gonna say the Dean. She talk about home and an ambition. They're there with this boy. There's a business have the intimate relationship with nobody. But me the kind of feel away. Like, how dare you say I don't have any ambition to be talking to who I'm talking to? Excuse me, you're very out of order. I feel like I use too much concealer, but it's whatever. So everything came out there. Nothing really happened much during that meeting. The only thing whether really come out of that is either we don't get suspension or community service, or we could just shake hands, fake apologize, and that would be that. So that is what happened. And then when we reach home now, reach up at the workplace now, mind you, all of this is out of my mind. I said, alright, me do what I need to do. I reported it, you know, that was sorted, and that is that. I thought that, you know, all this shit was over. Me, I left school now and go to my daddy workplace, and I totally forgot about the entire situation until he brought it up, and he was like, so what happened today? So I'm gonna say nothing. Then he was like, oh, so you didn't go to the dean? I said, oh yeah. It's like, what happened? I'm like, it was all good, like nothing ever happened. We just talk it out, and you know, we apologized to each other, and that was it, you know. We don't need to do nothing more. That's it. So he was like, okay, good, I'm glad you worked it out. As I am leaving the office. Okay, so who is Timmy so and so? Samia? Frozen. The bitch was frozen. I was like, a friend. He was like, boy or girl? I'm like, a boy. And he was like, oh, you know what, I'm not even going to talk to you about this, you know. You see, whatever you and this Timmy person have, cut it. Just cut it. I'm not going to have this conversation again. So I said, alright. Cut what? You're not going to make me cut up with the love of my life. After I got through so much sitting with Timmy already, I've had to leave the dialogue. I said, no, I can't go so. Me not cut nothing with Timmy. So, I don't even know if I like couple weeks or days did pass. I really don't remember. And you know, all was well with me and Timmy. You know, Tisha avoided me. We had no troubles then again, but we just never spoke. And a friend of mine actually turned against me. They never chat to me either. I never cared. Because you know, I had the love of my life, Timmy. I didn't care. So one day come now, I made it just well jolly. And I was going around to Timmy's classroom, and on my way there my best friend came to me. This is Shakim. That's my boy best friend Shakim. And him come to me and he was like, where I go? So I said, me I go around there. So I say, I go to man. So I say, yeah. And he was like, no go. So I said, why? And I said, I have something to tell you. So I said, what? And I say, you need to just stop look so jolly. So me I laugh and me I say, what the hell? If you don't know me, me just love laugh. Me ever laugh. So he was like, for real, just stop laugh. Like this serious. So me I say, alright. And you know the boy tell me, Shakim said to me, say, Timmy say you and him left. What? What? Timmy said you and him left. So I start dead. I was dying laughing because I'm like, what you mean? What you mean? What you mean Timmy said we and him? What you mean? And he was like, that him said me to come tell you. So I said, why? He said, alright, since him tell you, he must tell you why. Why? Something about my father. Like, him already getting too much trouble with me and my father, some crap, I don't remember. And I was like, if me did willing to do all of this and me know my father stay and like you are the one where I back out, niggas disappoint. You know I'm going to my class go back. Well, me tell you say the whole week me a ball, every morning me come to school me a ball, cause me say imagine me and him could have hold hand now walk through the hall or whatever. There was like a lump in my throat, but it was heartbroken. I was so heartbroken. Me say wow, the guy I actually like I go through so much shit for already. That's gonna break my heart just like that. Like I was appalled. Just a lesson, don't take your friend them, man, cause they might end up left you. How you get them is how you lose them. It's trash. Niggas are trash. Can't believe I got through all of that only if you left me and have me a ball down the place for all a week. Like me and a good gal. I just not understand how I did so don't. Anyways, I'm going to finish the rest of this makeup and I'll be back. Alright, now my makeup is done, my hair is done, my edges are on. Ooh, swim. And that's just the end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends, your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your granny, everybody. And click the bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.